This is a glass I made myself, and I call it the Super Glass. It's running the SID Plus 1.0 OS and is an augmented reality glass. It has a sensor here that can sense the vibration, so when I scratch my head, it will be function. It works, but it actually works together with this I call the GPS finger that have a GPS system inside and a sensor pad over here. For the function, I call it the G-Click. Or I can also use this to do the G-Draw, that I can draw pictures or words on the air. I can bring it down everywhere and just need several clicks, and it will record down the current time and location so that we can refer back things easily, because our brain needs time and location to support our memory. Or I can choose to snap photos for things that I saw that give me inspirations, or using the G-Draw to write notes, so I can record any sudden pop-up ideas without delay. And all of these ideas with my own input preset, it will automatically store it into the private greenhouse, and in the flower pot, I name it Sudden Ideas. I don't only use SID Plus for social, but I also use it for my private plannings in my house. Here is a virtual SID post that I can see through my glass. It is a note that recording all the details about this wall paint. What's the color, what's the brand, when did I painted this paint, and etc. etc. Same things go to the light bulbs. Every time when I want to change the light bulbs, I can know what is the light bulb's brand, and I can find the totally same voltage, totally same brightness of the light bulb to change it. So everything I already noted down their details in the virtual SID. We have a lot of little detailed things in our life, but we often easily to forget it. Just like this toothbrush, how long I didn't change it. It's supposed to be changed every 3 months. How long I didn't change my towel, bedsheet, curtain. It's a lot of little tiny things for us to manage in our daily life. It's impossible for me to write on the paper of these tiny little detailed things, right? But it is something we have to do, we have to manage in our daily routine. Especially for this car battery, you'll be very headache if your car battery suddenly broke down in the middle of the road. The SID post cannot be following the car going everywhere outside, but I still can post it on this car park area in this location, so that everything related to the car, every detail, the car battery, everything, I can post it this area. But it is still possible for me to make change for this post if I'm not at the car park area, because the private planning SID post is editable. Like if I want to count how long do I fill the petrol once, first I will create a flower pot and name it petrol, and then preset the setting in it. I have set this G-Click in long, short. It means that it will automatically record the date and time of filling the petrol into this flower pot. Or I have already preset to change my car battery every year, so every time after I change it, I just need to G-Click it and my calendar will remind me with the alarm next year in the same time. Well, I even can preset the auto calculation in the flower pot. Like I will test my running speed and stamina once a week, so every time I just need the G-Click at the starting point and at the ending point. With the time and location, it will automatically comes up with a weekly result in the certain flower pot about how far and how much time I use in this running. This technology actually can use my financial planning, life planning, and etc. etc. Well, this is something quite interesting. Especially these technology products, we have a lot of product information, the user guide, warranty card. We seldom keep it or read it, but it will be used when we need it someday. So I have made this QR code for this hard disk just for beta. It links to a web platform for the company to preset every details of this product in it. So when a user bought it, you just need to scan this QR code. Every detail of this product will just automatically preset in his flower pot, including reminding the deadline of the warranty, the time to service this product, etc. etc. This QR code is also possible to use at the light bulbs, the wall paint that I just mentioned just now, and even the toothbrush. Imagine a QR code on the toothbrush so that we don't need to preset ourselves. If every product in the future have this QR code function, it could possible to replace the G-Click. Everyone just need to scan the QR code and everything will be just arranged by itself.